The repair is complete, but the main question is, was it worth it? Of course it was. Let's check what kind of image this Carl Zeiss Jena 7x40 BGA gives after restoration. Let me remind you that this is the civilian version of the legendary military binoculars, which once earned a reputation as a real tank in the world of optics, strong, reliable, and durable. But, as we already saw in the first part, even such equipment is not invulnerable. If you're curious about what's inside, how the repair went, and what exactly happened to it, be sure to watch the first part. There, I also shared a few interesting facts about the military version of these binoculars. But if you're only interested in image quality, then let's continue.
I can say with absolute and complete 100% confidence that every single person who happens to pick up these binoculars is going to absolutely love using them. The image clarity is, well, it covers roughly around 90% of the entire field. That is, from edge to edge, the image is almost completely sharp. Only right at the very edges there is slight blurring, which is barely noticeable. These binoculars have almost no chromatic aberration, meaning it's also hardly noticeable. The only things that someone might not like are two things. The first is a somewhat noticeable distortion. The image bends a little. And the second is its yellowish tint. That is, it adds a yellow tint about the same as some models of Soviet binoculars. Also, one of the major advantages of these binoculars, in my opinion, is their exceptionally large depth of field. Just look at how sharp the tree branches are, as well as the houses in the background. If you observe objects at distances ranging from 100 meters to 2 or 3 kilometers, you don't need to refocus the binoculars at all. Thanks to its 5.7 millimeter exit pupil, it offers good light transmission, which allows you to use it comfortably even at dusk or in the forest when there is much less light. The field of view of this binocular is 131 meters at a distance of 1 kilometer or 7.5 degrees. This provides a sufficiently wide view of the scene to comfortably track objects and avoid experiencing a tunnel effect. The image has its own character. This isn't modern, perfectly neutral optics. There's a slight yellowish tint, as I've mentioned. The image becomes a bit warmer and softer on the eye. And to sum up, these binoculars aren't about a modern perfect image. It's about classic Carl Zeiss Jena optics with its own character, a slightly warmer tint, good light transmission, and a very comfortable, lifelike view of the scene. Thank you all for watching my video. Perhaps I haven't told you everything about these binoculars. If you have any questions, please write them in the comments. I definitely make sure to read all of them, and I do my best to answer most of them whenever I can. Until next time.